Welcome. In front of me is a POCO X4 GT, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up the content that you wish to capture, and I'll be using just the home screen for this as an example. So once your content is open and visible, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down at the same time. Once you press it, it will take a screenshot, as you can see, which will give you this pop-up right here. The first time around, it will stay around just to let you know the two options that are accessible right here, which is scroll and send. Obviously, scroll takes a scrolling screenshot, self-explanatory, and send is just a share option. And second time around, once you start capturing your screenshots, it will look like this. After a moment, it disappears. Now, all the screenshots that you will capture over the time can all be located in your gallery application, and they will be visible under photos, but you can easily locate them under albums, which you will see there is album called screenshots and screen recordings. And in here, obviously, you will find both of them divided into actually categories. So screen recordings here contains nothing, and screenshots. So anyway, that is how you can capture a screenshot. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.